Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I'm holding a leaf slide. You can make one of these at home. It's a piece of cardboard, 20 centimetres by 10, folded in half. Press this down firmly and then cut out a 2 by 2 square. This is how we use our leaf slide. I open it up, I take a leaf that is attached to the tree and I place the leaf on the bottom piece of the slide and cover over like so. I hold my leaf, oops, it's moved. I hold my leaf up to the sun and I can see things that I normally wouldn't be able to see. The strong sunlight is showing a lighter colour line through the leaf, and if you look onto the sides you'll see even lighter coloured lines. These are special veins that bring food to the leaf. If I keep looking, I can see some little dots on the leaf, and these are little parcels of oil. When I've finished, I put my card down, I open it up, I gently take my leaf out and I step away. This leaf is different because it has two veins. Can you see those white lines? Two veins going up through it to take food to the leaf. Next time when you're out in the bush or you're looking at leaves, have a look and try and find out what's similar in leaves and what's different.